Hi friends, welcome to my TCX Accountancy channel. The main purpose behind my channel is to provide you with clear information and easy explanation with simple steps about various accountancy concepts made easy and handy for reference.
Now, as a part of series of videos regarding accountancy, we will try to understand what is capital of a business. Now let's get into the concept. A person or an organization gives wealth in the form of money or assets. Assets are goods of money's worth or goods that can be valued in money terms, either to start a business or to invest in an existing business. This is called as capital of a business. A few examples of capital in a business are money, air conditioners, electronic equipments, factories or buildings, machinery, vehicles, etc. Please remember that the above assets are given by a person or an organization who are investing in the business and not bought by the business itself. Now let's recap. Definition of a capital. A person or an organization gives wealth in the form of money or assets either to start a new business or to invest in an existing business.
Hi, I hope my video was informative and entertaining. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like, share and subscribe. And you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram to keep in touch.